We are the students of Gitali Institute of Technical Studies and title of our project is Tracking a Vehicle and Detection of Explosive. I would also like to give thanks to Dr. C.P. Ravi Kumar and Mr. Sagar Juneja for sitting us in analog design contest and also for allocating our resources in adequate time. This video demonstrates our efforts to make life very simple. Here it goes the hardware implementation of our project. The components used over here are Launchpad MSP430 G2553, Buzzer, GPS Smart Kit, LM358 IC, a potentiometer and a sensor. We are using this IC LM358 as a comparator. First of all, I am giving power supply from the laptop using USB cable. Here the power supply has been given from the laptop to the Launchpad. From the Launchpad, we are taking out the VCC to the IC LM358 at the pin number 8. Similar VCC is given to the potentiometer and a sensor. And the ground connection of every component has been connected over here. Here is the ground connection of every component. As there is no object in front of this sensor, it is not supplying any voltage to this IC and GPS is not working at this time. But as any object comes in front of sensor, suppose this car is coming toward the sensor. Here it is coming toward the sensor. Now it has been sensed by the sensor and some supply voltage has been given to the IC LM358 at the pin number 3, and from pin number 1 it goes to the microcontroller at the port number 2.3, and the output of microcontroller 2.5 is given to the LED followed by the buzzer, and at this time GPS will start automatically. Let's have a glimpse how it works. Here it has been detected, an LED glows over here and buzzer gives a sound. And combination of GPS and patch antenna gives information about the position of vehicle, and for this we are using uBlock software. So these are the steps. First of all, go to uCenter. For viewing the satellite position, click here. So these are the satellites which is linking to GPS. The green satellites can be accessible by us and the blue satellite is used for navigational purpose. And for viewing the signal level, click here. So these are the signal level and it gives also the information about longitude and latitude as well as altitude. And for viewing the map, at present we are here, which is indicated by red in color. After that, I am saving the file. Go to file, save. I am putting the name over here, GPS1. So file have been saved. After that, we have to go to Google. Here is the Google. Here we have to type GPS visualizer. So here is a GPS visualizer. Click here. So now we have to browse the file which have been saved. Here is the GPS one. Now click on go. It will take some time. So now here is the present scenario of our college campus. This is our college campus. Here is the patch antenna over here. It has also wide range. So to see the wide range, we can click here. These are the areas which has been covered by GPS. So here we see these are the vehicle which has been tracked by GPS. So here our motivation has been completed. This shows that GPS can track the vehicle. Thanks.